In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update VLC Media Player step by step so you can make sure you're always running the latest version with the newest features, bug fixes, and security updates. Keeping VLC up to date is important because updates often improve playback performance, add support for new file formats, and fix common issues like crashes or audio sync problems. Whether you're using VLC casually or every day, this quick update process will help keep everything running smoothly. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can do this by clicking the VLC icon on your desktop, using the Start menu on Windows, or opening it from your Applications folder on macOS. Once VLC is open, make sure the main window is active on your screen. You don't need to have a video playing for this, but VLC does need to be fully launched. Next, look at the top menu bar. On Windows or Linux, this will be inside the VLC window itself, and on macOS, it will appear at the very top of your screen. Click on the Help menu. In the drop-down list, find and select the option that says Check for Updates. VLC will now automatically check online to see if a newer version is available for your system. Give it a moment while it completes the check. If your version is already up to date, VLC will let you know that you're running the latest release, and you won't need to do anything else. However, if an update is available, a pop-up window will appear telling you that a new version has been found. When you see this message, click Yes to start downloading the update. VLC will now download the latest version in the background. The download time will depend on your internet speed, but it usually only takes a minute or two. While the update is downloading, it's a good idea to save any work you're doing and close any videos you have open in VLC, just to avoid interruptions. Once the download finishes, you'll see an option to install the update. Click Install to continue. VLC will then prompt you to close the application so the update can be applied properly. Go ahead and allow VLC to close if it asks. The installer will launch automatically and guide you through the update process. In most cases, you can just follow the on-screen prompts and keep the default option selected. The installer will replace the old version with the updated one, while keeping your settings and preferences intact. After the installation is complete, you can reopen VLC Media Player. To confirm that the update was successful, you can go back to the Help menu and select About VLC Media Player. Here, you'll see the version number, which should now match the latest release. And that's it. You've successfully updated VLC Media Player and ensured you're using the most current version available. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.